Hello, my student. Now we want to talk about Unit 1, our grammar in page 9. Page 9, we have quantifiers. Look at this page. Page 9, quantifiers comes from quantity to express countable or uncountable nouns. That means in our life, we have something we can count them, like this. We have here 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is a countable noun. Some things we can't count them. We called it uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, like this picture. Look at the rice. Can you count the pieces of them? No, we can't. So this is uncountable noun. For example, we have here countable nouns. If we want to count things and we have large number, we use many. We use many. For example, there are many boys in the school. Many boys in the school. Why? Because the school have hundreds or more than 100 boys. So we use many for large number. If we have less number, we use few. We use few. Like this example. The family has few boys. Few boys. So the family have maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 boys. This is less number. So we can use few. Countable nouns, we use many and few. Many for large number, few for less number. And look at this note. We can count things like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we count anything, we must add plural s. Like this, boys. So we have 1 boy. We don't put the s because we talk about 1. We talk about 1. But if we have more than 1, we use the countable nouns like this. 2 boys. We add the s because we talk about plural. We talk about plural. This is countable noun. We can count them, and when we count, we must put s for the noun. And for the large number, we use many, and less number, we use few. Many boys, few boys. B, uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns that we can't count it. We can't count them. Like rice, sugar, time, liquid. We can't count these things. Liquid like water, oil, juice. We can't count any of them. So, if we want to describe them, we must put much or little. Much for the large quantity and little for less quantity. Look at these examples. I added much of salt on my soup. Much, that means a large quantity. Little for less quantity. Look at the example. She spent little time in the market. So the word time or the noun time, uncountable, we use little. So we use for the uncountable noun, things we can't count it. We can't count it. So we must use much or little. Much for large quantity, less for little for less quantity. And we cannot put the S. we can't put S for the things we can't count them. Thank you for listening.